Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create this cool poster cutout effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. We're gonna start with our base image, which is just like this field of flowers, and I'll just resize it and place it wherever I want. Then with the selection tool, I'll go ahead and select the foreground, which is just the flower field, and I don't want the sky in there, so I'll just add a layer mask. We then have a background to add, so just add a fill color and choose the color you want. You can just then double click on it and change it up if you want. I'll then import another image that I'll use for the subject, and I'll click on the select subject, add another layer mask, and as you can see we have our silhouette of the person. Right click, convert to smart object. Now I can double click on my layer and add a color overlay. You can choose whichever color you want, but for that ghostly thing I'll just go with pure white. Right click again and I'll rasterize it. I'll then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and add maybe about like 13. Duplicate that layer and add some more blur over it. I'll then group my 3 subject layers, duplicate the group, and merge it all together. You can finally add a couple of textures. You can find some textures I made on the link in the description down below. I have plenty of free packs you can use, and that's basically it. Pretty cool, right?